Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create voice room on HelloTalk app. So first of all, open the app and then tap on the voice room option right here, section, and tap on the microphone icon on the right top corner, and then it will ask you to allow the microphone. Tap on allow and insert what you will talk about. I will talk about language, for example, and choose the language. You will talk about English or Arabic. Then tap on done and choose the type of room type. Then tap on interaction or music, or study, chat, or event, whatever you need, and choose the topic. And the topic will be make friends or whatever you need. And from here, if you want to make a private room, you need to reach level 15. And from here, you can create room announcement as well. And you can change the background of the room. And you can share 2 moments from here. Check out this. And from here, if you want to boost this, tap on it, turn on this, enable it. And if you want more people to join your home faster, you need to pay a few dollars. From here, as you can see, and click back and tap on start voice room. And as you can see, this is my voice room. And if you want to leave, tap on the 3 dots on the top right corner and tap on close or leave. Then tap on close, which is close the whole voice room, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.